Hello everyone. As you guys know, I had said even before that Bitcoin is going to 100 to 150k in my channel, and today I'm going to show you why did I say such. So, like, why do I think that Bitcoin is going to go to 100 to 150k? So, I made a video even of Ethereum where I expect Ethereum to complete its rally near 15,000 this bull phase. So, if you look over here, this is a chart from 2017 I'm using from Bitstamp. So by the start of 2017, Bitcoin started pumping, and there was around 240% pump for Bitcoin. And then Bitcoin had a correction from mid July. So if you see over here, the time Bitcoin had reached like its peak of this run, I mean the third phase. So over here, Bitcoin saw a correction from near 10th June. So here, Bitcoin saw a correction of 41%. Then it had a small downtrend for around for a month. Then again, Bitcoin saw an upward trend. Then again, it saw 40% correction. So after these two corrections, we have even seen similar type of corrections even in 2021 run, in 2020 run, and currently it's 2021. So we have seen the same trend. But why do I think Bitcoin is going to 100k? If you see over here, the first thing is we have to notice along this whole trend, which is different from our trend, is that the whole market was Bitcoin was above the bull market band, so it bounced. Although it had a correction, it always bounced back. It didn't close below the bull band. So even here, even after the correction, it bounced from the bull band. It went up over here, also it bounced. But if you notice the overall chart over here, after the correction, Bitcoin nearly pumped around. From the correction, if you see Bitcoin at the end of the day, it has pumped around 973% or more. So this is a chart from 2017, and once then after it reaches its peak, and this same peak I'm expecting for 2021 run. So if you see the peak, it was nearly by the time December 2017, and we are currently from 2021, the 2020 bull run. I'm expecting we are nearly near June phase or June July, and it's similar. The charts are too similar, and if it continues, we will see a rally to 100k. So if you see 100 to 150, and maybe even more, we never know. Maybe even more, and along with Bitcoin, I even expect coins such as Ethereum, Litecoin, then BCH. So these all coins are high cap. So these all are going to follow what do you say Bitcoin. I'm going to show you the chart of 2020 and 2021 where we have seen the similar type of correction. I'll show you how Bitcoin is going to pump from there. So currently we're looking at the 2020 runs chart. So if you see the run, actually the runs confirmation was near the time of November, and BTC had broken out from the 15,000 mark. And once where the confirmation was done, we seen a quite good run, and by January we got a 32% correction over here. And after the run started, I mean the confirmation run, we had seen nearly a pump of 300 to 400% from the confirmation point, and Bitcoin saw a height of nearly 65,000. So from this height, from this height, which I'm considering as third phase, in this third phase, we saw a correction of 54%. So which is quite common in a bull run. We have seen in 2013, 2015, and the 2017 and currently 2020 charts. So if you're seeing over here, we can see a 54% correction, and BTC over here has actually formed an accumulation zone. It means it has accumulated over here, and whales have actually taken control over here. Like whales have been accumulating this point overall. So in this zone, we have seen a lot of exchange outflows, and a lot of Bitcoin flowing out of exchanges, and the whales holdings too have increased. So this one more, and with all the adoptions coming, it is quite clear now. And if you see the bull band, so Bitcoin is currently trying to go over the bull band. So once Bitcoin holds above the bull band, I mean the bull market band, and starts acting as strong support, then we are going to see a crazy rally over here. In the sense, Bitcoin is going to go boom from here. So it's literally going to go. And if you see, Bitcoin can pump nearly around 50% from this point, and if it pumps, it can nearly reach a height of 150k too, and it's quite possible too. So once we break an all-time high, its old all-time high, I mean, which had made near in the time of May. If we see over here, time of April, I mean, sorry. So if you see, once BTC breaks this point, we're going to see a lot of people FOMO in. I guess we'll start to see FOMO from the point of 48 to 50,000, since a lot of them are going to realize that this chart is too similar from 2017 chart. So this analysis is just based from the old charts and the old readings. So this is why I think that we are going to have a really good rally. And once BTC starts check, I guess the first accumulation zone which BTC is going to go is near over here at this zone from 55 to 60k range. Over here we can expect BTC to actually accumulate at this zone. So once BTC accumulates in this zone, we are going to see coins such as Ethereum, Binance, then Litecoin, BCH. All the high caps are going to have a crazy rally. You're going to see crazy gains for those. So once BTC breaks this, hits all-time high, the BTC dominance is going to increase actually, and we might see quite the ALT's thing quite stable. But Bitcoin, in terms of Bitcoin is going to have a crazy run. And one more, and if we go right, I mean, if this is right, we might even see a small accumulation zone between 90 to 100k over year too. So a year when Bitcoin starts a new accumulation zone, might even maybe for a week or two. Even when I spoke over an accumulation zone, even over here, maybe for a week or two, and that's more than enough for an ALT season. I mean, over here, Bitcoin can again have an ALT season. I mean, all the ALTs when Bitcoin accumulates in this zone. And once we break the $100 mark, 100k mark, I guess everyone has to keep the guards up, because we are going to see an 85% correction from this point. And yearly, if Bitcoin touches 150k, I'm considering 150k. So we are going to have an 85% correction. So nearly we'll be ranging from 25 to 30. So I guess 30 is the lowest which we can see in this bull run if Bitcoin goes to 150k. So nearly 80% correction. If we go to 150k or near to 150k, we are going to bottom out over here. So you have to plan your trade, plan your strategy, and make sure you unstake your stakes when Bitcoin breaks its all-time high, because you're going to take time to unstake it. So that's all. Thank you for watching, guys.